Well, guess what arrived? Sunseeker Fat Tad from Electric Trike. Came kind of damaged in shipping, but I worked with Electric Trike and went ahead and accepted it. They're gonna, if I need anything replaced, they're going to help me fix it. Crap happens. I don't think it was Electric Trike's fault. The shipper kind of messed up, I think. Who knows? But it wasn't nothing drastic. All the fenders were bent up. The crate, the pallet broke in half, and the poor trike was just bouncing around inside of its box. I already took it for a test drive. Everything seems fine. The electrics all work, everything. I've already installed the TerraTrike strap restraints, which I like. And the way I'm going to do these videos is I'm going to make content for you on everything I do to this trike as I go. I'm not going to try to make like I did on the TerraTrike. I made one big video about all my mods and everything, and that got too hard and too lengthy, and I got a lot of questions about individual things from people. So I learned on that one. We're going to do stuff to this one similar. Can't do it the same because it's different. I've already been looking and engineering it in my mind. The seat's taken apart right now because I got to figure out how I'm going to do my top. Anyway, this first video is putting my restraints on the front of the pedals. So that's what this one's about. I'd say let's go for the ride, but it's 10 o'clock at night and it's cold outside. I think it's going to snow in Las Cruces. Anyway, enjoy the show and the content. Okay, I got to put this bracket on this right here. These TerraTrike nuts that came in, bolts that came into the strap right here are going to be too short. So I've got an assortment of metric bolts that I'll use like I did on the other side. So that comes apart. Based on the way this is designed right here, I'm going to, instead of putting it like this, I'm going to flip it over and come in like this because the boss sticks out the back, and I'm going to have room for that because of this plastic right in here. The threads are going to be going over the top of that and squeezing down on that like it was on the other side. So let's do that. I don't really care that the reflector is cracking or breaking because it's going to pinch the plastic. The reflector I could care less about. I've just got to drill through it right now. I'm going to replace this with this. Putting a lock washer and a flat washer. These are too short because of the way this is designed, but it works out well. So this plate's going to go in there like that. Something like that. Something like that. So, put this through there. Run it through there. Thread it on that. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that works. Might have to do it some more. Yep. It just sandwiches that plate in there against that plastic pedal, which is pretty strong. It ain't going nowhere, I'll tell you that right now. So because I'm using my pedals at a much higher position because of my neuropathy, my diabetic neuropathy in my feet, I'm pulling these straps up quite a bit to raise my foot up in the stirrup. So what that's doing is sliding my toes up way higher because of my neuropathy. When I push on my ball of my foot right here, that's when I get the sensation in my foot. So these are adjustable straps. I'm sucking them up pretty high. And in fact, I think I need to do this one more. That helps with my tingling in my feet. So you can wear these if you want to push on the toe or up here. Different stirrups, you can do it different ways. But these, I like these TerraTrike straps. They fit pretty good. Let's see how this works. So let's see how these work. So they're a little more steep, so I got to put my heel in right away. That one went in nice. So these straps are brand new, so they're tight. And these Skechers are not the shoes I wear. They're fat-heeled. Oh yeah, that's going to work out good. Once they get broken in, get them all figured out, I think they'll work good. They're a little steeper on the back of my heel than the straight pedals. I'll try this. If they don't work out, I'll let you know. But right now, they ain't falling out. They're even more a little tighter than the flat pedaled ones. Makes it a little harder to get them out. Not too bad. Anyway, I'm gonna try that for a while and I'll let you know how they work out. Okay, let's put some zip ties on these straps. I don't want to cut them down because I may want to adjust them again later. So let's, already did this side over here. I zip tied all this in so they're not all flapping around like these. So get this strap tied up out of the way so it doesn't flop around and get hung up in anything. Camera's in the way, so pardon the fat leg. Oh yeah, perfect. Well, I'm gonna call these TerraTrike, even though they're not designed for this setup, they're gonna work. They actually hold a little better than before. They're a little higher up on the heel. If you can see right here, they're a little higher. So that's actually, it may work out better. Let's see. Anyway, I'll report back later to let you know how I like them. But I do like the TerraTrike straps. That's what I'm used to. Once you tie them up with wire ties, they seem to work a little better. They'll get fitted to your feet after about 25 miles of riding. Cool. Call this good.